After the abrogation of Article 370 in Jammu and Kashmir, election dates have been announced now for the first time, but a statement made by the Uttarakhand Minister Dhan Singh Rawat is being used by the opposition to question the government's normalcy claims. Speaking at an event, the Uttarakhand BJP Minister Dhan Singh Rawat referred to his recent visit to Jammu and Kashmir's Doda to hold an election rally. Recalling his visit, the minister told the crowd that while the tricolour is being unfurled freely in Naya Kashmir, the cops placed restrictions on his movements and said they will decide where he will stay at night. Let's listen in.
मुझे कहते हैं कि मंत्री जी आप प्रचार जो है हमारी शर्तों पे करें। मैं भी ढूंढा गया था। उन्होंने कहा कि आपको 10 बजे से लेकर 4 बजे तक सभाएं करनी है, बाकी आप रहेंगे रात को कहाँ ये हम बताएंगे। आपको हमेशा ड्राइवर बदलना है, आपको हमेशा जो है घर बदलना है।
The opposition, including the National Conference and the PDP, latched on to the Uttarakhand minister's remarks, while the National Conference said the government's claims of normalcy have been exposed by one of their own. The PDP said that their repeated assertion of things having deteriorated after August the 5th, 2019 stands vindicated.
बीजेपी का मिनिस्टर, एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन उनके हाथ में, हुकूमत उनके हाथ में है, यहाँ सारा कंट्रोल उनके हाथ में। मैं कैसे देखता हूँ, उससे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता है। वो अपनी गवर्नमेंट से सवाल पूछे, अगर ये गवर्नमेंट जो दावा करती है यहाँ पे सब कुछ नॉर्मल है, तो एक मिनिस्टर के साथ अगर ये हाल हो सकता है तो उनको पता चलना चाहिए कि ये जो झूठ इन्होंने बनाया हुआ है नॉर्मलसी का, इन हालात के ठीक होने का, वो इसी से साबित होता है वो कितना बड़ा झूठ है। और यही हकीकत जो है वो पूरे मुल्क।
देखिए, मैं इस ज़माने में एक ही बात कहूँगा, हकीकत छुप नहीं सकती बनावट के असूलों से। ये जो आज आप देख रहे हैं कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी की एक मोतबर मुअज़्ज़ज़ इज़्ज़तदार मिनिस्टर हैं जो किसी स्टेट के हैं, एक बयान दे रहे हैं कि जम्मू कश्मीर के दौरे के में उनको बाहर जाने की इजाज़त नहीं दी गई, ड्राइवर डेली बदलना पड़ा, घर बदलने की हिदायत दी गई। दिस इज़ व्हाट वी हैव बीन स्टेटिंग थ्रू आउट कि भाई 5 अगस्त 2019 के बाद से जो हालात का जो दावा है बिल्कुल अब से बिल्कुल बेबुनियाद है। हालात यहाँ के खराब ही होते गए, ठीक नहीं हुए।
तो वो तो उन्हीं की एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, यहाँ पर हमारी एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन तो है नहीं। बीजेपी यहाँ पर इनडायरेक्टली राज कर रही है। उनका अपॉइंटेड गवर्नर साहब यहाँ पर हैं, लेफ्टिनेंट गवर्नर साहब ये हैं, तो उसको अपने सरकार से ये कहना चाहिए, हमसे क्या शिकायत कर रहे हैं। जो गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया थकती नहीं ये कहने से कि यहाँ जो है यहाँ पर अमन माहौल हमने कायम किया है और यहाँ जो लोगों को परेशानी थी हमने दूर किए हैं, वो अब अपने लोगों से ही पूछें, ये स्टेटमेंट सुने और इस पर बात करें।
Yawar joins us now. Yawar, does this controversy mean it's open season as far as the J&K polls are concerned? Because security has always been an issue. I'm sure everyone has seen how leaders there have all kinds of security, whether it's normal or whether it's a hot summer or whether it's winter. How do you read this? What are the parties saying and what is the BJP saying?
Well, exactly. There's a fresh, political development that has gained the ground. This time, the Uttarakhand minister, Dhan Singh Rawat, says that he was not allowed. In fact, he alleged that he was not allowed to move outside his hotel in the Srinagar after 10 p.m. when he was in J&K. So after that, there has been a politics that's gaining the ground all across. In fact, the regional parties, National Conference and BJP, they are questioning the BJP's move, saying that this is your own minister and he's not being allowed to move outside. So how sort of normalcy you are claiming on the floor of the parliament? And in fact, the National Conference has also said that let the BJP answer that why this has happened to the minister. And somehow this has been witnessed as a fresh stroke of controversy that's gaining the grounds just ahead of the assembly elections that are being convincing in the Jammu and Kashmir. Somehow there has been no word from the BJP that what has been seen all across, but yes, this has been seen as a new development because this time some minister from other state, he's claiming that he is not being allowed to move outside his hotel, and this is the scene that has been taken up by the regional parties, and all in the same voice are saying that let the BJP, let the administration in the LG answer this question, that why this thing has happened, why they are titled about this, and why they are not saying that this is not this has not been done. because
Right.
this is something that has not came from anybody. This is something that has came from a minister who is the cabinet
Well,
minister.
you
in
know,
the
Yabar, we'll find out about normalcy on the dates that the three-phased elections are held. And based on that, we'll be able to make a better comment that could answer these politicians, some of whom seem to want disturbance.